Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I love 164. So today we are going to do the unboxing of this really cool M-COOL Diorama, and this is from MOREART. So let's open the box and see what we have. And yeah, the first thing is this manual. Parking lot scene. That's all the details how we are going to assemble this actually, and I'm not sure if we really need it, but we will see if we need it. Oh, wait a second. There's some detail over there. Okay, so it's really cool. It means that it connects with each other, and you only need one charger for that. I never knew that. I was amazed at the point when I opened my last diorama of Advent. You can see in the background. There were two of these coming out, two wires coming out. I was confused why there are two, but now I know how. Oh, wow, this is a really cool feature. I like it. I really like it. The previous diorama I have from MOREART was not having this kind of structure, and it's really nice. I like it. So yeah, it's always good to see manuals no matter how many dioramas you have. Okay, so let's see what we have in this. We have this cable, and let's put this here, and we have this complete item here. Let's put the box on the side and let's pull this out. This is all sealed, and let's open from here. I think there is a cut here. Let's open this from here. Okay, let's open this here. I don't want to cut anything else. So the first thing, we have this acrylic piece, which is going to be, which we are going to need in the last actually. Let's put this on the side. I really like how cool it is. I like the smell. Wow, I really like this smell. It's like the nostalgia for me, because after smelling it, I remember the very first one I got. You might guys have seen it in some of my videos, or maybe not. I'll show it to you sometime. But right now we are just going to do the unboxing of this one. So this is your sidewall. This is your another sidewall. They look very much different. And I don't know what actually written on these, but probably this is how it's going to be, because I think it's A. Yeah, this doesn't make sense like this, right? It's going to be like this probably. This is going to be like this. I should mention which way we need to put it. Probably this, because it looks more like C. Let's put these here, and let's pull this out. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it looks more like this. This is the roof, as we can see. Let's see if we can pull it out. Okay, and this is the roof we are pulling out, and this is the base. Here is your base. So this is the first part we are going to put, right? I really like the texture they created on this, like the rough road on or old building kind of. Let's put this here first. Let's put this here. This here. Yeah, good. Let's assemble the next part here. Oh, I hope I'm correct. Yeah, goes well. Next goes here like this. Goes well as well. No, this one is coming out a little. Maybe we need to flip it like this. No, not sure why it is happening. Let's put this one here. Yeah, this goes right. This must belong to this side. Yeah. This belongs to here. So in this one we do not have the extension that we usually have here. There is a bar. No problem. Let's put the roof on the top and let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set this up after pausing the video, because it sometimes takes a lot of time to invest, and I'm still not expert in this. Why? Because this is like a third, fourth diorama for me. So yet not expert, yeah. But yeah, it's going to adjust just a moment. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it worked. We don't need to go offline. It worked. And it looks really cool. Look at that. Look at that interior. It is so amazing. And on the roof we have this ventilation thing and lightning. Okay, so this is how it goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect this cable and I'll light it up and I'll adjust the camera so that you can see how it looks inside. Yeah, probably let's do this first. So on this one we have M-COOL logo and not MOREART logo. This we need to connect the two. We just need to just give me a moment. It light up. You see? I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. So let me adjust the, I'll pause the video and adjust the camera so that you can have a look of the inside. Wait a second. So I have adjusted the camera and you can see how cool it looks. There is a vent on the top here. And now let's place some cars in it, okay? So we need to place some cool cars that goes well as per the theme of this particular diorama, because it's a really cool one. So I got some really cool castings out from my collection. Out of them, one is this Ford GT. Let's place this here. Next I'm going to place is this really cool, the newest release from Kaido. house. The next I'm going to put is this really cool Mustang. It doesn't roll well because it's a tarmac, you know. Tarmacs are shit. Very, very shitty cars. So the next we have is a Supra. Let's place it here. Next we have is another really cool Supra. Let's place it here. And the sixth car we have is this Murcielago, the newest release from Mini GT. So, even though it is not very bigger than others, but still there's enough space to put 6-7 cars in it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to adjust these 6. I'm not going to put any other car. Let's create a little more gap in these and they look more cool, right? Look cool like this. And now last, we need to put this lid. So let's remove it. And from here as well, we have this cool looking lid. Let's put this here. And your Diorama is ready. Wow. This is a sick one. I love it. I love it. This is really cool. You guys let me know you liked it or not. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to adjust these two right here. Yeah. They look cool together like this, right? Yeah. They look really, really cool like this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and that is all for today. You guys let me know, do you have this one or not? I mean, I just love it. It looks really sick, looks really cool, and I love having it. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.